New Year's Eve is right around the corner and people are excited to celebrate despite the recent surge of the COVID-19 Omicron variant. News 2's Lexi Moore joins us live in studio. Lexi, you spoke to Lowcountry doctors about how to safely gather this weekend. What do they recommend?
Good evening, Amara's doctors at Trident Medical Center tell me although they have seen a rise in COVID-19 cases in the last several weeks, they're not recommending cancellations like we saw last year. But they do say everyone should be responsible and cautious as we ring in the new year. New Year's Eve is just days away, and Lowcountry doctors are keeping a close eye on rising COVID-19 cases.
The number of cases seem to be skyrocketing.
Dr. Kenneth Perry with Trident Medical Center says COVID-19 cases across the state have increased with the rise of the Omicron variant, but hospitalization rates for the variant have remained in check so far.
Although hospitalizations are slowly creeping up, the number is much less than the number of cases that we're having.
But with people gathering at bars, restaurants, and at home for New Year's Eve, experts worry those who are most vulnerable could be in danger.
You should really make sure that you're not going to this event and bringing the virus with you, in the sense that if you are having symptoms, if you're febrile, not feeling well, body aches, probably not the year to take part in these events.
Dr. Perry says taking precautions is key to preventing our healthcare system from getting overwhelmed. And that means monitoring symptoms, testing if possible, and considering your risk before you hit the town.
It seems to be a much more mild variant, but at the same time, for the certain subset of the population, this still could be pretty serious.
And as always, experts say getting vaccinated and boosted is the best way to prevent serious illness.
What you hope for is a very benign, easily passable version of the virus that's not going to cause people to be hospitalized, that's not going to cause long downstream effects for people. And then hopefully that's how we're able to get people either to get vaccinated or to have antibodies appropriate for it.
Dr. Perry says testing is important, but recognizes they are hard to come by and says other precautions like hand washing, mask wearing, social distancing, knowing the vaccination status of those around you can be effective as well. Reporting live in studio, I'm Lexi Moore, Count on 2.